Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard ice cream using custard powder. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and half a cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need 3 tablespoons of your favorite custard powder and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create our rich custard base. In a small bowl, whisk the 3 tablespoons of custard powder with about 1/4 cup of cold milk until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. Next, combine the remaining milk, heavy cream, and sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it just begins to simmer. Once your custard has thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely aroma and flavor. Transfer the warm custard to a clean bowl, cover it tightly with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Chilling is crucial for achieving the perfect ice cream texture. After churning, your ice cream will be soft serve consistency. Transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for another 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up properly. When ready, scoop and enjoy your delicious homemade custard ice cream with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit or chocolate sauce. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.